Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to give you a mow. Thanks Chris Huntley for getting me off my butt. This is so deep, you guys. This is Creeping Charlie. Let's pick some. I got so much of it. I'm hoping this video consists of a mow pattern here. This grass is ridiculously deep, and I need to clean this edge. All these beds, I made all these coral bells a year ago, and I want to. I can make 10 each now. And what I'm wanting to do is break them all down, clean this up, right? Break them all down and go all the way around this thing. And I'd also like to trim these limbs off about 2 foot from the ground in here. See if I can get them to grow around this way. They only get afternoon sun over here. Oh my goodness, it's so deep. Ridiculous. So you'll at least get a mow today. And then I want to work on getting these branches cut off so I can plant around this part here. Maybe I can get those coral bells to go from 10 to 100 this year. That's what my goal is. How many seeds of weeds is this? I got tulips coming out everywhere. Look at this. Oh my. Let's just get some stripes in it. I gotta get this grass knocked down before it gets the best of me. What I'm gonna do, I think, is revisit the pathway grass. So I'm gonna carve a path from here. I think I'm still gonna go kind of squirrely a little bit to the left of the driveway, and then go to the right and start trying to really turn it hard. You'll see what I mean. It's gonna make all kinds of crazy lines. Pathway to the front door. Oh man, I should have mowed yesterday. Hope I don't get very much clumping. Let's see. Hey, you guys remember the Breakfast Club? See a good canvas, and you don't have to have everything. Look at that, that's terrible over here. But it still looks okay. You got a friend that teaches art stuff. It's all about the canvas, see? I hope that's a big enough bone for you, Christina. If I throw too many bones, I'll be like popping hips and junk. Can't have that. I'll be mowing again in a day and a half. I need some ideas, you guys. Look, D, I was wrong. My dad moved this rhododendron for me, and it's starting to work again. It's an azalea. It's kind of under this tree, which loses its leaves as well. So this should bloom, we think, before the leaves come out on that tree. We gotta work on this today. Miss Huntley scolding me. Gonna try to clean these limbs up a little bit. I've got this. Not too bad. Look at all these weeds. My weed eater's broke. me see if I can go fix that, because I've got to get in there with the weed eater. So I can't get my weed eater to crank up, so I'm gonna edge all this with this. Chop these weeds down, turn them over, pine needle them in. All the seeds will be here. I might blow them off with the backpack blower and blow everything out here, because it's not gonna survive in the yard. And see if I can just edge this thing out with the shovel. It's gonna take me a while, and then we'll divide these. A bunch about to open up. Where do you guys want to see this happen at? Been using these pine needles for my tripod. I lost it. Just tipping it against this brick. I guess that's what I'll do. So I think if I divide those into 4, I should have enough to get around here. About the same spacing, I think. First gotta knock these weeds all down. This is nice though. Okay. After edging some pine needles, still gotta blow them back up in here. Maybe I'll do the thing tomorrow. The coral bells. Whew. Sun's going down. I gotta get this all cleaned up and mow. All right, so tomorrow I'll divide these. Hopefully it'll be on the same video. And we should be able to get all the way around with these things. It looks like you got your feet on the wrong legs. Why you do that? Hmm?
Hi, Grandpa and Mother. Hi, Grandpa and Mother.
And who?
Mother.
Hey guys. He's still there. Let me show you something. I've noticed about these coral bells, when they look their best, like this, all big and flowery, leafy, that's when they need to be changed. So, like down here is gonna be a big, huge root ball. You can dig this root ball out and like get rid of it and replant this and make it bigger. Let me show you what I'm gonna do here. Of course, I'm gonna bring one piece back. I got a saw. Okay. What we're gonna do is take a big chunk. See how they're mounded together like this? Try to get one of these separated, or a few of them. I hope I'm on here. I hope you guys are catching this. And so on and so on and so on. So I'm gonna get you back, set you back a little bit so you can see, and do my best. Getting pretty tired here. Kind of stopping here because it changes colors. There's one in there too, it's just maybe dead. I just need to finish with the black. See how many I can get. Okay, so I did not break these 4 down. And I kind of need to finish this little space here. Well, I don't care for these color anyway, and I think it's having a harder time than these black ones. That's gonna be it for this one, you guys. I had to take one coral bell and make, I don't know, I'll count them. All right, subscribe if you want to. Free flowers. I mean, some people actually hate that, I think. But, they're weird. Anyway, see you guys.